Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you how I am installing and curling this wig from NadulaHair. So they went ahead and sent me a V-part unit in 24 inches, and all the specs, the links for this wig will be in the description box below. So far so good. The hair holds the curl really well. I'm loving how nice and soft the hair is. Super nice and full. It's definitely on the thick side, so I am loving it. You get a bang for your buck because this wig is super affordable, and that is it. Let me just go ahead and jump into today's video so you can see how I install this unit, and the links will be in the description box for this unit and all other units and so much more for Nadula in the description box. So without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. this is the final look. This is what I did to my Nadula unit. It is a 24-inch body wave V-part unit. I love it so much. I love how nice and full it is. I love that these curls are gorgeous. They stay in place thanks to my Kenra working spray. It's just a medium hold, so these curls are definitely going to be waves in about 2-3 hours. But as for right now, it's holding up really well. This unit is actually just like stunning, really gorgeous, and super affordable, might I add. So if you'd like to go ahead and purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. This is also a very flat unit. I love how nice and flat it is. It's not bulky in the back. I love that. The adjustable straps and everything with the clips and the combs definitely worked in order to make this wig super snug on my head, and I'm loving it. So if you'd like to purchase, again, the links will be in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Nadula for sending me this gorgeous wig, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.